Have you seen my frisbee? Where's my frisbee?
Okay, relax there, little fella. Now, from the top. What's the matter?
I can't find my frisbee.
Frisbee. Oh, yeah, funny story. Hilarious.
What did you do?
Long story. Wesley was having another one of his I'm so lonely days.
I'm so lonely.
There. There's only one cure for that. Frisbee. Heads up.
It landed on Esmeralda's roof. She'll never give it back to me.
There's a little bit more.
Hi, Ratso. Wow, look at you up on the roof. So handsome, brave, and funny.
Dad, tell me the truth.
Why wouldn't that be the truth? Okay. The truth.
Look at you up on the roof. What the heck are you two at? Come down at once before Esmeralda sees you.
Shh.
So basically, my powers as mayor are limitless. I can arrest people, I can name babies, I can perform weddings.
Wow! Show me how a wedding works.
I really shouldn't. It's a very serious business.
Please. You could pretend it's my wedding.
What a nightmare! Imagine marrying Peep. You'd have to be some doofus.
All right. I guess it wouldn't do any harm. Hens, ducks, and other feathered creatures, we are gathered here today.
Oh, it's like a dream.
Marrying Peep.
You broke Esmeralda's roof?
Things got a little more complicated.
Oh dear, no.
Do you take Peep to be your lovely wedded wife? I now pronounce you husband and wife.
Could you tell me that last bit again?
Well, you remember how you always wanted a real family?
Yes.
Good news. Peep's your mom now. Don't forget to love her. Oh, I got your frisbee. Oops.
Ow! Oh, man. I'm never going to get that out.
Peep, you don't seem yourself. Is everything all right?
Never better. Oh, just one thing. Am I really married to Ratso?
Indeed you are.
Oh,
The way I see it is, the rat has caused problems in my yard from day one. What he and that ugly duckling need is discipline. A strict type of person who will whip them into shape. And the strictest person I know is you.
well, thank you. That's a tough job, though.
I know, but you can do it. Start with the little one, and when you've cracked him, work on the rat.
Come on, Dad. This is one of those occasions when you have to do something. Come on, Dad. Come on.
All right. If I do something, will you stop being so annoying?
Yep.
Right then. I'll just talk to Esmeralda and straighten this whole mess out.
What's up with you two?
Oh, Ratso just married.
Absolutely nothing. We're up to nothing. Not a thing. Gotta go.
no.
Please?
Let me think. No!
Pretty please. Best and beautifulest mare in the duckyard. Will you call off this marriage with Peep?
The law is quite clear. I can't stop a marriage because it's inconvenient. Now, I hope you three will be very happy together.
Maybe you're right. We could be happy. How long do marriages last?
Get out!
Hello, boys.
Hi.
Hi. Sit down. Now, I don't like this any more than you two do, but guess what?
You're leaving?
No, we're stuck with it.
Ah, shucks. That's practically the opposite of leaving.
Why don't you go out and get some fresh air? And Ugly and I can get to know each other a little better.
Sounds great. That okay, Ugg?
I guess.
Brilliant.
A strict type of person who will whip them into shape. Start with the little one.
Things are going to change around here, Duck.
Right. I think I'll spend the evening with friends.
You're not going anywhere until you've done the chores. Any questions?
Just one. What's chores?
I don't know, Ratso. I mean, marriage sounds like a bit of a big commitment. I know I'm lonely, but this seems a bit extreme.
That's what I thought. But life couldn't be better. Peep more or less told me to play worm golf all day. And Ugly
Ow!
has finally got the loving mother he always wanted.
Oh, for heaven's sake. No, not like that. What are you doing, you stupid duck?
Best news ever! I've set you up on the perfect date. Play your cards right, and you could be married. Just like me.
You mean you actually found someone who'd really like to go on a date with me?
Well, I had to build you up a little.
What's a little?
You're handsome, rich, and one heck of a dancer.
Oh.
Now hold still.
Oh, man!
Good game, Wes.
There's something I'd like to say.
Go on.
You're a big meanie.
And your point is?
It's not fair, and I'll tell.
Listen here, Duck. Esmeralda gave me an order. I will obey her. Now, if you like, I could see to it that you and Ratso no longer live in the yard. Do you want that?
No.
Agreed, then. Not a word or else. Bye-bye.
Honey, I'm home.
Oh. Well, that must make it dinner time. I think tonight I've got a hankering for some wild berries.
I like the sound of that.
We don't have any.
Then get some. I must say, this isn't nearly as bad as I thought.
Me neither. And you, finally having a real family? All your little dreams coming true? It's like a fairy tale.
Yeah, and guess who's Cinderella?
What's gotten into him?
Dunno. Difficult age?
Maybe I should go after him.
Leave him be and set the table.
Set the who now?
The table, rat.
Gotcha.
And after I'm finished making them dinner, Peep wants me to clean the roof.
Surely Ratso's not going to let her push you around like that.
That's the problem. He spent the afternoon playing worm golf. And Peep said if I told him, we'd be kicked out of the yard.
Excuse me, children. I wonder, could you help me? I'm looking for someone.
Sure. Could you describe them?
He's handsome. He's very rich and he's a great dancer. His name is Wesley.
Huh? He's over there.
Hello, babes.
I'm looking for someone called Wesley.
Oh, and he is looking for someone like you. Look no further, m'lady, for I am he.
Oh, I should have never listened to that rat.
Oh, you don't like worms?
Oh, no, I like worms. Let's eat.
Great. You had me worried for a second. Now, I know this great place.
No, let's eat here.
Here? Are you crazy? There's no food here. Except me. No!
So what are you gonna do about Peep? I don't know, but I better think of something quick.
Real quick. Because if you don't, it's going to be like this for the rest of your life.
I know that, but I have to make Ratso and Peep realize it. Thanks, Emmy.
Did he just have an idea? I think so. Gee, that was quick.
Chew quietly. Actually, eat with your mouth closed. I had this place cleaned, so don't go messing it up. Don't walk there. Stop. Now, stay exactly like that.
Isn't this great? The three of us together forever and ever and ever.
Will you stop that disgusting snorting? What?
If you ever speak to me like that again, do you know what I'll do?
Ooh, leave?
I'd just like to say I couldn't be happier. I think you two make a lovely couple. And I can't wait till you have children.
Oh, ugly. That is truly awful. Truly. I feel very sad for you. Imagine Ratso marrying Peep Olga.
I know, Emmy. I am very upset, too, that Ratso, my dad, married Peep. Whatever will I do?
It worked.
Stupid Peep. Stupid Esmeralda. Stupid Wesley. Who else? Stupid Daphne. Hi, Daphne.
Hey, Ratso, what have you been up to?
You know, playing Frisbee, mostly.
And and marrying Peep?
And, hey, how'd you know?
Never mind that. How can you do this to Ugly?
Are you jealous?
Absolutely not. I hope your love will last forever.
You got it all wrong, Chubba Chup. I don't love her at all.
That is the most awful thing I've ever heard. Poor Peep. You are a horrible, horrible man.
She's definitely jealous. I have to end my marriage with Peep. Where there's a will, there's a way.
So, Ratso, to what do I owe this pleasure?
I know you said you wouldn't call off the marriage with Peep, but I think I've got an offer you can't and won't refuse.
Go on.
Here it goes. For your eyes only, don't want a word of this getting out, won't do my rep any good.
Right.
Have mercy!
Get out! And unless you've got some real proof as to why I should call off the wedding, I don't want to hear another word about it!
I give up.
It was worth a shot. Wesley, where are you? Excuse me.
Oh,
I'd recognize those grunts anywhere.
go away.
Who? Me?
I never want to see you again. I'm going to be lonely forever, and it's all your fault.
Who? Me?
You set me up with a hungry hen.
So, the date wasn't a success?
No. Who'd ever want to marry me?
Don't rub it in, Wes. Married life ain't all it's cracked up to be. Hey, Ugg.
Hey,
I'm sorry about the whole married with Peep thing. I did my best to break it up, but it looks like we're stuck with it.
I'm tired. See you later.
If only I didn't fall through that roof. None of this would have happened.
I know. I was there, remember?
Say that again?
What? I was there. I fell through the roof first.
That's right, you were there.
Huh?
Where are you going with this?
Do you realize what this means? You fell first. You got married to Peep first.
Oh, no.
You're right. This way, everyone wins. I get rid of Peep, and you marry her. You're no longer lonely, and I'm single again.
She'd eat me before the honeymoon was over.
Good point. But maybe there's a solution.
No, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. It's embarrassing and it'll never work.
That's the spirit. Now, hold him down.
What? No! No!
Some of you might have heard that recently Esmeralda married Peep and myself.
I'd like just to add that it was a wonderful ceremony. Well done, Mayor Esmeralda.
Right. Anyway, it has come to my attention that I was not the only one who married Peep that day. Peep is, in fact, married to someone else.
I am?
Meet Wesley.
The worm.
Was he or was he not there the day we were joined in holy matrimony?
He was.
And was he not there first, thus making him your groom and not I?
I can't believe I'm married to a worm. Well, at least it's better than being married to a rat.
You'd like to think that, wouldn't you? Wesley, bring out your better half.
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce my wife, Brenda.
Is this true? Is he your husband?
Yes, m'lady.
Well, I've no option but to call off both Peep's marriage to Ratso and her marriage to Wesley. I'm sorry, Brenda, for the inconvenience.
Thanks, m'lady. Now I'm off to market to fetch some stockings.
That was close.
So, Daphne. I guess this makes me available.
It's good that things are back to normal. Eh, Dad?
Indeed, kiddo, indeed. And what have we learned?
Not to marry Peep?
Exactly.
Oh, this is lovely mud. It sure is, Governor. Would you like to dance? Don't mind if I do. Oh.
Oh, isn't that sweet? It's great that Wesley's overcome his loneliness.
So, Brenda, tell me a little about yourself. Oh, well, where to start? My birthday's the 6th of June. Oh, mine too!
Is Wesley all right?
Will you stop worrying all the time? He's fine. Look. Hey, Peep! We never decided who gets custody of Ugly. Just messing. He's all mine.
Whoa, what a shot! Say hello to Bull's champion of the world.
Hey, not so fast. I still have one go left.
Hurry up, it's nearly bedtime.
Where did you get the Bull set?
My auntie, she's the greatest. She always gives us cool stuff.
Wow.
Shush. Did your auntie ever visit Ugly?
I've never met even one relative.
Yep, Bull's champion of the world.
Dad, how come my Auntie Terry never visits?
Your auntie? You mean my sister? She's visiting? When?
She's not visiting.
Whew.
What's my auntie like? Will I ever meet her?
You see, she lives in the city, and it's a very, very, very long way away. But someday, when you're big enough and I can fly, we'll visit.
Great!
No, Terry. No visit. No, Terry. Ah!
Ratso, I know you're in there.
Terry, hi. It's great to see you.
Cannon. Oh, I'm exhausted. It's been a long trip.
Little Jimmy. The last time I saw him, he was going through the terrible twos. He was quite hyper.
He's gotten worse. I remember what a good boy Ugly was and how we...
So, when are you leaving?
Ratso, you are moving up in the world. This is much nicer than your place in the sewer. I knew I made the right decision to move in with you and Ugly. We'll be one big happy family.
Darling, I've always wanted to say something to you, but could never pluck up the courage.
Pluck away, my dear. Pluck away.
I
Leave!
What?
Come on, lady, take it outside. Ratso's got chores to do. And don't come back.
Goodbye, Ratso. I'll never see you again.
No! I've got an idea. You leave the kid here with me. Have a little holiday, and I'll sort out little Jimmy.
A holiday? I could get a good rest. I knew you wouldn't let me down. Oh, by the way, he needs constant supervision.
Gotcha. Supervision. Anything for my big sister.
I'll see you soon, my sweet, sweet precious. Now, you be a good boy for your Uncle Ratso. He loves this thing. And if he isn't better behaved when I return, then I will move in.
Bye-bye, then.
Why do you always come to me when you've got problems? You never come to me with good news. I've got problems too, you know.
It's always me with you. Now, back to me. What am I going to do with little Jimmy?
It's obvious. Just teach him how to be a good kid.
That sounds too much like hard work.
Ratso!
Why, Mare Esmeralda and her lovely right-hand hen, Peep. What a pleasant surprise.
Quiet, you.
You were supposed to fix my bed last week.
I'm kind of busy at the moment. How's next Tuesday for you? I'll pop by then. Oh. I'll just have to make sure Ugly gets off to school first, and I'll be right with you.
Make sure you do. Because if I don't sleep well, I get cranky. And if I get cranky, rats get into trouble.
Gotcha. Cranky rats get in trouble.
It's true. Ratso's tiny. This is very odd. I've never heard of someone shrinking before.
I'm sure there's an explanation for all this.
I'm home.
I knew it.
I was so worried.
There. I was just picking berries. Let me introduce you to your dad's, mom's, daughter's, Terry, your cousin Jimmy.
Wow, my cousin. Where's Auntie Terry?
She had very, very important business to attend to.
Huh?
Let's run!
Wow! Look at all his energy.
You take care now, Egg. Bye.
Why can't Jimmy come to school with me?
He's, too young, and it's probably best if we keep his being here our little secret.
Why?
Well, you see, they might get jealous, and I kinda didn't mention it to Esmeralda.
Gotcha. My beak is shut. I'll tell Lemmy and Lou to keep it quiet, too.
Attaboy.
Hey, who's minding Jimmy while you're at work?
Don't worry. He's in very, very good hands.
How come you have no hands? What are you supposed to be?
I'm supposed to be a worm. No, I am a worm. Don't they have worms in the city?
You're funny.
Funny how?
Giddy up! Yeehaw!
Get off! I'm bruised very easily! Ratso!
Hey, Ugg, do you and Jimmy want to play more bulls?
Don't crowd him, Lou. Ugly obviously wants to get to play with his cousin on his own for a while.
If you don't mind.
Have a great time.
See ya.
Don't worry, Lou. It'll be okay.
Ratso? Jimmy?
There is no way I am babysitting anymore. You can forget it.
Go ahead. Be a worm. Slither away. I can look after Jimmy myself. I'm so angry with you. Frightening Weasley like that. Good babysitters are hard to come by. Shh, shh. There. Don't cry. Look at funny Unky Ratso. That's better. Now, I'm nearly finished my job in Essie's. You can watch me. Maybe when you're a big boy, you'll be a handyman like me.
Handyman, 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 handyman.
You, mister, are hilarious. Now, pay attention to everything I do. I'm going to teach you to be just like me. I think you and I deserve a snack break.
Handyman, 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 handyman.
I must say, Peep, I am looking forward to my afternoon nap.
Let me explain. Actually, I can't. Darn it.
Fix it, or else. Come on, I'll have to nap in your place.
Yes, your worshipfulness.
Oh no! Jimmy is unsupervised. No!
And then Ratso said, "You and I deserve a snack."
That's terrible. Why?
Don't you see? Ratso thinks Jimmy's more fun than me. Well, I'll show him. By tidying up. Everyone likes a nice, clean place. Not Ratso.
I reckon the way to Ratso's heart is straight through his belly.
She's right, scientifically speaking. Why didn't I think of that?
Here, Jimmy! 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 You haven't seen a little rat, have you?
He went that way.
I'm getting closer. I can feel it. To catch Jimmy, I need to think like Jimmy. Wise guy, eh? Well. Did that door always open outwards?
Get off me!
Sorry.
What has gotten into you?
Gotcha.
Ratso! What is going on? Uh-oh.
What's up?
Oh, your bed is very uncomfortable.
I know just the cure to get you to sleep. A nice bedtime story.
Oh, I suppose. Anything is worth a shot.
Chapter 1. The Magic Begins. Princess Aruba was an inquisitive little girl. One day, she went to the wizard Esmeralda's house. The wizard told the princess of a magical spell that would help her free her long-lost love, Prince Handsome, from the dungeons of the evil lord, Ratso.
Oh, brilliant!
All she had to do was utter the words gobbledy-goo, tribbledy-spog, and Ratso would turn into a frog.
Gobbledy-go, tribbledy-spog. Genius!
That broad Daphne can sure get angry.
I know. Isn't she great? Wait a second. I smell food.
2 Ratsos.
I've got work to do. Ugly, I want you to keep a good eye on Jimmy while I'm gone.
Keep an eye on him? I understand what you're saying.
Good lad. Later, boys. Enjoy whatever it is you'll do together.
Your nephew is a little brat. I hope you've straightened him out.
Actually, Jimmy is playing with the most well-behaved kid in the yard. Ugly's bound to rub off on Jimmy, and everything will be okay.
You gotta teach me. I want to learn how to be just like you and Ratso.
No problem, cuz. No, like this. Exactly. Hey, you'll learn fast. In the city, nobody waits for anything.
Hey! Sorry.
Never apologize.
Sorry. Sorry. Hey, Toots.
Ugly, a word. In private. What's gotten into you? I've never seen such a change of behavior.
I just wanted to be as much fun as Jimmy.
Utter nonsense. You are funny.
Oh, no! I was wrong. I'm sorry. But I can't let Jimmy out of my sight.
Oh.
What have you done?
Fun, 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 fun!
Double-de-go, triple-de-spog. We're turning Ratso into a frog. That was fun. Now, I hope Ratso's fixed my bed. Ratso!
Jimmy wrecked Esmeralda's bed.
What? Again?
It's all my fault. I just wanted you to like me the way you like Jimmy.
What? I like you just the way you are.
You do? Well, how come you were spending all that secret time with Jimmy?
There's a reason Jimmy's staying with us. I should have told you right from the start. And I'm supposed to teach him how to behave. But I've no idea how to get through to him. His character baffles me. We're done for.
Hey, what's the big idea, Toots?
Ratso?
Listen, lady, can't a rat get a little shut-eye round here?
The magic spell somehow worked. We shrunk Ratso to frog size.
I can see that. No wonder he couldn't fix my bed.
This is a stroke of luck.
Don't worry, Ratso. You stay put. We'll find a cure.
Case closed. Let's eat.
Dad, what about your sister? She wants Jimmy to be better behaved.
Why do I keep forgetting about that? What are we gonna do?
Imagine Jimmy is you. How would you discipline yourself? Right, Jimmy. Every time you do something good, you get a treat. And every time you do something wrong, you have to do some chores.
Give me that!
Do my eyes deceive me?
Oh, here it is. The antidote. Gobbledygook, fiddledy-smack. I want my handsome prince back.
Let's hope this works.
This is fantastic. Jimmy helping around the house? I never thought I'd see the day.
Oh, Mom, darling, how frightfully fantastic to see you again.
Oh, wow, my little Jimmy using big words. Amazing. How did you do it?
He was a tough nut to crack, but crack him we did.
Oh, wow.
So, you'll be off then?
Look at Ugly all grown up.
Huh?
It's just a saying. I haven't seen you for years. Oh, I can't wait to hear all over supper.
Woohoo! Supper!
I know Ratso, and I know Jimmy. That's why I know you must have been the positive influence. It's great to have a nephew just like you.
Thanks, Auntie Terry.
Oh, dear. Another disaster. You look absolutely awful as a woman.
Oh, we're sorry you look so terrible.
How rude. You two better get out of my sight. Quickly.
Oh, don't worry. I can't bear seeing you like this.
Are you sure this is the only way?
You read it yourself. The water of life returns everything to normal.
But it's your favourite book.
We all have to make sacrifices from time to time. We must do this.
Okay. Goodbye, Princess Aruba.
So, you didn't want your sister to move to the yard?
Actually, she said she'd never live in a yard with such a rude old duck and a pompous hen. She was furious. It was a close shave.
And I think Ugly learned a valuable lesson, too.
He loves his lessons. It must be your good influence.
Ratso, you are incorrigible.
I have no idea what that means, but thanks.
Look out!
To what do I owe the pleasure, ladies?
Oh, thank goodness. You're all right. It's no wonder you couldn't fix my bed. Can you ever forgive us?
About that.
Don't you worry. I'm giving you the rest of the week off. Next Tuesday we'll be fine to finish the job. You take it easy. You've been through the mill.
You're forgiven.
Come on, out with it. I want to hear the whole story.
I think today is my lucky day.